Hi guys, today we are going to harvest a little bit of the chilies here in our backyard. We have this plant here with the red peppers. This is called Chile del Árbol, which in English means chili from the tree. This one here with the yellow banana, yellow chilies that you see all over the place. These are called lemon drop. They're very, very, very spicy, very hot. And these that you see here are actually called poblano or Chile poblano or tasty poblano. We are going to be harvesting some of these plants right now. And just so you know, when you look at this plant and you see these flowers, these little white flowers, this is where the chile is actually going to grow out of. You can see the flower, and I'll show you. It's literally just on there, just hanging on. So let's harvest some, and I'll show you what we get. Okay? We're gonna start here with these red peppers. Right here, I'll leave some of that stem on there. We have a little bit of stem with the pepper, and we're just gonna do this over and over and over again. So, what happens is when you harvest your peppers like this, because we are on August 16th, more peppers will grow from these sites. The plant will continue to think, well, I need to continue to produce peppers. And that's exactly what you want. You want to harvest and grow more of this wonderful fruit so that you can get more and more, because it wants to produce more and more. So you could harvest them when they're green like this. They're very hot anyways. Oops, that was a different plant actually. That was the lemon drop. I took one. So you could see that this Chile del Árbol, this red one, you know, when they're growing and they're maturing, they're green. But when they are mature and ready to harvest, they are red like this. Not this green one, but the red ones. So I'm also going to harvest some of these lemon drop, these yellow, beautiful banana looking peppers. They are very, very, very hot. You know, I've taken a bite out of these and it's just way too hot. And I love spicy peppers. We're going to try to harvest all of these, and there are flowers, so more are going to grow later. I'm just going to come here and just cut it, and there it is. Hey guys, we are about to harvest these sriracha peppers and something called boot jolaka chocolate. It's these bigger ones. So you see these small red ones and these bigger red ones? That's what they are. So we're about to harvest these. Alright guys, we'll let you know what it looks like. Oh, by the way, these are the lemon drop peppers, and look at that. Anyways, we left a whole bunch of really green ones on the vine, and they're gonna mature and get yellow, and of course we'll update you. See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, also real quick, these are actually called Thai hot, and they look exactly like Chile de Árbol, but they're actually Thai hot peppers. And behind them, we have a whole bunch of mature habanero, yellow habanero, orange habanero peppers, and we're also gonna harvest those. So we'll show you guys what we got in a little bit. See ya. All right guys, so we've harvested, and as you can see, we've got a few different things here. First thing here is we got some habaneros. These are the orange yellow habaneros. And then we've got boot joloca. These look like Chile de Árbol, but outside on the actual tag, it says these are called Thai peppers or Thai hot peppers. And then we have yellow orange bell pepper and green bell pepper, but we've been fighting a lot of bottom end rot. And then over here we have the lemon drops. They're beautiful yellow, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash them now and with vinegar and water, and then we're gonna air dry them. So we'll show you that right now. All right, so here we have the Thai peppers, Thai hot peppers, the red ones. They look to us again like Chile de Árbol, but that's what they say. And the lemon drops, we're gonna rinse them all together. Again, this is the water vinegar solution. Fill up a bowl of water and then put about a cup of vinegar in there.
Alright, I'm going to put some paper down and then so we can air dry them, so we'll see you in a little bit.
Alright guys, so these are the habanero, and what we're going to do is we're going to rinse them first with water, and then we're going to rinse them with water and vinegar, and then again we'll rinse them with water to take off the vinegar, and then we'll air dry them. So here we go. We're going to put them into a strainer in the sink, and once we're done rinsing them a little bit, we're going to put them into this water vinegar solution. And we just kind of dip them and give them a little bath. This takes out anything that could be harmful. And then we're going to throw them back into the strainer and we're going to rinse them one more time. We'll grab a couple of these. The ones that look like jalapeno are called sriracha, and these other ones that look kind of like habanero are called Boot Joloca chocolate. Hey guys, this is one last shot. So these are all the peppers that are drying right now that we've harvested today, August 16th. Again, these are Boot Jolokia chocolates with srirachas. I think these are the srirachas and this is the Boot Jolokia. Then we've got lemon drop. Then we've got chile del árbol. And then we have Thai peppers. Then we've got habaneros. And then we've got bell peppers. So here we have all the peppers strung together in long sewing needle lines. Up here we have the small, what I think are the Thai hot peppers. Look at that. I don't know how many there are here. A few hundred. Below that, the yellow ones are the lemon drops. These are beautiful peppers. They look like banana yellow. My favorite. My second very close favorite are the orange habanero peppers. Look how beautiful those look. And then we have the, I think these are called Boot Jolokia chocolate. Absolutely amazing looking, and they look fire hot. And these look like chile de árbol, or chili from the tree, or of the tree. Anyways, we are going to hang these up so you guys can see how we do it.